Hey guys, it's Rodin on the world, and today I'm going to try the authentic Indian food. Currently we are visiting Ganesh Restaurant, that's authentic Indian cuisine, and today I'm going to try the chicken curry here with some special bread, Indian bread like paratha, roti, etc. And also I will try this very special naan that is covered with a lot of paper. So in the menu it was mentioned that this is not for the people with some kind of heart diseases. Okay, and I will try it out and see what's going on, what will happen. And here also I have lassi for myself. If it will be too extremely spicy, of course I will drink this milk drink to splash all the spicy stuff from my mouth. So okay, so let's try it out. But of course we will start with the bread. So it's usual bread. This is butter, and I will try the curry chicken first. This is how it looks like. Since I lived 3 years in Southeast Asia, I'm quite familiar with Indian cuisine, so I know what curry chicken is. So this is curry chicken, and I know that this is quite spicy. Yeah, that's a tasty chicken and tasty curry sauce. I like it. It's really tasty. And now I'll try special. It is spicy, the curry chicken, but not that spicy that will make me feeling uncomfortable or whatever. So in the zone of spicy tolerance. Okay, so let's try this special Ganesh bread that is so spicy according to the menu. Okay, so let's try it out. So here we go. Okay. So you can see that it's covered with the paper. Okay, so let's try it out. To be honest, I don't feel that it's so much spicy. At least it's not more spicy than this one. So I was expecting that it will be much more crazy stuff. I don't know, maybe this particular piece is in this done in this way, but okay, I don't feel that this is so spicy. So okay, in the lassi, it's a bit sour, but anyway it's tasty. So that's all. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to my Telegram channel. If you like this video, press like. If you don't like this video, press like, and don't forget to subscribe. It was Rodin on the world. Thanks for watching, and bye.